In this video, I will show you how you can get more bass on your AirPods 4. Now to do that, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone, and after that, just go to Settings, and from here just tap on Accessibility. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual, then tap on Headphone Accommodations. Now just make sure you enable this feature. And after that, under Tune Audio 4, just select Balanced and set this slider to Moderate. And after you do that, you will get more bass on your AirPods. Now also from here, now just tap on Custom Audio Setup. Tap on Continue and select Don't Use. Tap on Continue. Now as you can see, it is asking you that can you hear someone speaking or not. Now if you can hear someone speaking through your AirPods, just select Yes. Otherwise you can tap on No. Now if you can hear someone speaking, just tap on Yes. Otherwise you can tap on No. Now just tap on Continue, and after you do that, you will hear two audio versions. As you can see, this is version 1 and this is version 2. Now just select the one which you like best. For example, I will select version 2, then tap on Continue. And also from here, just select the version you like best of this sound. For an example, I'll select version 2, and I just tap on Continue, then tap on Continue. Now after you do that, you will adjust the bass and the sound of your AirPods based on your liking. And if you use third-party apps to listen to music, you can adjust the bass from that app. For example, if you use Apple Music to listen to music, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From here, just look for the Apple Music app. Then tap on it, and from here, just tap on EQ and select the EQ settings which you like best. And also, if you use Spotify, just open Spotify, then tap on the profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. From here, just tap on Playback, and on this page, just select Equalizer. And from here, just enable the toggle for Equalizer. And if you want to get more bass, you can select Bass Booster or any other equalizer preset which you like best. Just like that. And this is how you can get more bass on your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.